Come test drive the 2014 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, compass, low tire pressure warning. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and